Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I'm Brad McKinnon. I'm a drywall finisher, interior plasterer, taper and jointer, and a jib stopper as you call them here in New Zealand. And today's episode is all about the Komei Eclipse Trowel. It's a brand new trowel, the latest trowel out from Komei Tools. And straight away, the first thing you'll notice is it's black on the front, and on the underneath it is a mirror polished stainless steel. Absolutely beautiful to look at. It's a stunning trowel and it's black handle, and just showing you there, it's got the broken in edges, so it's good to go straight out of the box. Now this is the first time I'm using it, first time I'm getting it out, and we'll just go through it with you there. And you can see the reflection from that mirror polished stainless steel. It's Inox premium stainless steel, and it's been polished up, and even the edges they're broken in and polished up too, so really beautiful, ready to go. It's got the black rubber grip handle, nice and soft in the hand, and it's got the Eclipse marking on the front, so that'll never wear away. So we're going to put it to the test. It's nice and light in the hand, and of course it's made in Italy. So stunning trowel to look at. Let's see how it goes in the hand. And straight away, I'm just noticing there that it's just coming off the trowel. It's a lot different than what I'm used to, because I'm not used to these mirror polished stainless steel on a trowel anyway. I've never had that before. So it was just that compound was just gliding off the trowel, a lot different than what I was used to. So just a bit of getting used to it at the start there, but as we go, it spreads it beautifully. Trowel is nice to hold in the hand with the rubber grip. And what we've got here, we're just going to do these. We've got a little bay window, and we've got a few externals on it, so we're just going to finish coat these externals. We've already got the 2 coats on them. So we're going to do the final coat using this Eclipse trowel. I'm just going to talk you through it as I go and share my experience of using this trowel for the first time. Now the great thing with these Komei tools, or trowels especially, is that they're all broken in. All the ones that I've been using in the videos to date are broken in, so that straight out of the box you can use them. Normally a trowel that isn't broken in takes a good 6 months to break in, even up to a year, some of them. So this is a great thing about these tools. I've even seen on the Komei website, or some of the videos they have, watching people do it manually by hand and just sand them down the edges on the machines there. It's pretty amazing. So they're all finished off by hand. If you're wondering what Komei stands for, it stands for mechanical or construction mechanical, or mechanical construction, because as Simon says, the CEO says, it's all the tools are made by machines. It's called mechanical construction, or in Italy they pronounce it construction mechanical. So, and then they are just finished off by hand, so that's why they're called Komei. And we're just going to do the other side of this bay window, this other external, then we'll hit that sort of ceiling one. The trowel is beautiful to use. I've been using trowels for the last 30 years, and they all look the same. They're all the stainless steel. This is the first trowel I've ever used that's black and looks really good. So trowels are sort of starting to look good as well as perform good. So apart from the Venetian trowels, when you talk about drywall finishing trowels, plastering trowels, they all look the same. So it's good to see something a bit different. It really does look good. So just finishing off these externals here. Just nice to run over the. Just find that mirror polished mirror finish just glides really nicely. Really works well. The trowel works good cleaning off those edges. I like to use the trowel to do the edges as much as I can rather than having to pull out the 6-inch knife, but which I do sometimes just to get anything I've missed. But the trowel is a 12-inch by 5-inch, so that's 300mm by 130mm, which is just a little wider than I'm used to, but it's really good. It can hold a lot of compound. You can actually hear it a lot more than the sort of skinnier trowels. It's 0.6mm thick, which is perfect for doing drywall. I don't really use flexi trowels for drywall. You want to get that nice flat finish, so 0.6mm is perfect for flattening off the compound and getting that flat finish on all your joints. So. Okay, we'll just hit this top ceiling external angle, and again I'm just using the trowel as much as I can to clean those edges. It's just running beautifully. So Kome is saying that this trowel works for drywall compound, micro cement, stucco and decorative plasters, so it can be used for everything. I'm using a pre-mixed multi-purpose air drying compound. I run my mud quite thin just to take the stress off the arm, off the body, and then you can apply it a lot easier than thicker mud. So, and it goes on a lot beautiful. And again, for finish coat, I like to have my mud a bit thinner as well. So. Just in case you're wondering, most of the mud in New Zealand has got that yellow tint to it. There is hardly any mud made in New Zealand that is white, except for one, which is the Jib Plus 4. So, and the reason for that, I presume, is that a lot of Kiwis use the quick set for first coating, and that's dries white, so the yellow mud is used, or the premixed mud is used for sort of second and third coating mostly. So it just got that little bit different, so you can see what you're doing. That's what I think anyway. Well, that's the reason for that, I think. So now we're also going to put the trowel to the test with a bit of cross trowel action, just working down from the coving or cornice I've already installed in this job. The reason I've already installed the coving for the finish coat is there was old plaster cornice around this room which was pulled down, so I didn't really want to plaster over where the coving was going to stick to, because I sort of prefer the coving or the cove adhesive or the cornice adhesive not to stick to the air drying compound. I prefer it to stick to the paper on the plasterboard, just for better adhesion, because sometimes it can cause delamination, especially along this bulkhead here. It would have been just sticking straight to that finishing compound, so, and which would have been fine, I guess, but just better adhesion to the bare paper. So there's the reason for that, and it just worked out better for this job. It was a small job as well. So we're just finishing off here with this Eclipse Trowel. Why is it called an Eclipse Trowel? I guess because it's black. It's like the sun going behind the moon, of course. You've got the moon shape on the trowel there with the eclipse graphic. So a cool name, and it looks cool too. By the way, that was the first bit of plaster I've ever dropped. Caught on camera. leaving it. Who's seen me drop plaster in any of my videos? If you have, write it in the comments. That might be the first time. So just, yeah, all done here. Look at that. Look at those edges. Just using the trowel to clean those edges. Beautiful, actually, absolutely beautiful. That extra width, the extra sort of 10mm width on the trowel. It actually works good. So we're just going to clean them up here. You can see got that same mirror polished stainless steel as my knives, the Komei knives. Now I've had those Komei knives for about a year. I've been using those, and they still look brand new. That's the thing about this mirror polished stainless steel. It's beautiful. It's blimmin' good, blimmin' sturdy as well. It's those knives, yeah, a year old. They still look brand new. So these tools are really good. Really impressed with these tools. I've been working with Komei for the last year now, promoting their stuff and using their stuff. So really happy with it. And this Eclipse Trowel should be out this February. We're in February now, so it should be out this month. And you'll be able to get those from Bart's Taping Tools, or I think GWI in the UK, or even Komei Tools will ship to you there and around Europe. But yeah, that's them. That's the Komei Tools, the Eclipse Trowel. Great trowel, top quality, of course, made in Italy. Thanks for watching, guys. Smash that like button, subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you on the next one.